Okay, so picking up, we have weight. We're going to use the mass property, which SolidWorks calculates, so we don't have to put in a value for that. SolidWorks takes the density of the material times the volume of the material and figures out the mass. So that's depending on the units you've picked for the part. In our case, it's pounds, so that's 0.28 pounds. So we have the cost and the weight, and then we also want to put in the material. And for that one, we'll use material. So, and you can see that because we had changed uh, the name of that material, so with all caps, it puts in all caps here. And again, the reason to get all this set up for each part is because then if you change it in the part, the table will automatically update. So I'm just going to save what we have there and go back. Okay, so you can see that now that that part has a cost, it fills that in on the table. And if we change we're going to go over how to have it calculate for the number of parts. In other words, just the quantity times the unit cost gives you the extended cost, and then calculate the total cost of the whole assembly. So let's add in some more columns here. So let's add in material. And we also need to add in the weight. Okay, so that's unit cost. I'm just going to change the title here to unit weight. All right, so now we would like to be able to put in the extended weight. So I'm going to go to this column right here and say insert column right. And this time we're going to use an equation. In other words, we want the extended cost. So I'll fly this out and say we want to do an extension and equation rather. And so that now is just going to be so first what I'm going to put in here is double quotes and the dollar sign. So in other words, this is just, we're just putting in a string, and for precision we can control that because it's an equation. Put in 2. Now what I have to do is put in a pound sign because there are non-numeric characters in the unit cost. So if I fly this out, you can say I'm going to select unit cost and then just use the asterisk, whoops, right, times the quantity. Okay. And so that's an equation. As I said, we specified what the number of decimal places we wanted. We had to put our own character in there for the dollar sign, and we'll call this extended cost. Okay, so the next thing we'll put in is an extended weight. So insert column right. We're going to put in an equation here. Click on that equation button, and so first thing we'll do is set the precision on that. Let's see if I can move this over a little bit. So precision of 2, and then we want to multiply the quantity times the unit weight. And I'm also going to add in, well, we'll leave it at that. Okay, and so this will be extended weight